Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to log out other device on Viber. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, open Viber and click on three dots right corner, press settings and press privacy and two-step verification, create a PIN code and click on back and click on account and press desktop and tablets. This your all other device and get Viber for desktop or tablet on your computer or tablet. Download Viber from right and click on right corner and scan QR code and authorization your device, your other device. Alright, click on close, click on back. Alright, and that's all.